Yep, time to go to Luftwasser. Ugh. Bringing my old Porsche. Okay, I don't have a new Porsche. That's the only Porsche I have. Yep. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Oil pressure. Oil pressure. Ooh. 1 bar down. Okay. First start is always easy. So I took this car out from my workshop. They were halfway fixing the car. So they were so nice, so kind. Thank you, Prestige, for putting everything back. Bring the car for me to go to this event. And then after the event, I'm gonna send it back to them to continue the work. Hopefully, the car will be healthy enough to go Evo Enduro. So, the easy part is to make it look good and run to be enough to go to Luftwasser, where we park our cars and then, chit chat, look at the cars. The hard part would be fixing it good enough for it to do 6,000 kms of punishing drive from KL all the way to Chiang Rai and back. Anyway, let's enjoy the day. And I'm so happy for my friend. He bought a Porsche GT3 and collection day happened on 9th of November, which is 9/11, and right after he's done with his coating PPF, no PPF, I don't know whether he got or not, and he just collected the car, and just nice for him to go for Luftwasser. So the idea behind Luftwasser is Luft is air, which resembles the air-cooled 911s, F series, G series, 964, 930, 993, and then Wasser as water, which is from this generation onwards, 996, 997, 991, 992. Let's go. Well, on my way now, but it's a Saturday after work traffic. Usually Saturday people work half day, and oh, this is a nice property, Legacy OUG. Very, very, very good looking facade. Wow, very nice, and the location is fantastic. Anyway, so yeah, as I said, my mechanic, Prestige, is being very nice. This guy was halfway fixing there. They put back everything together for me to go to this event. So the car is still not yet in its best of conditions, but compared to when I got the car, oh my god, when I got the car, both headlights they work, you can turn them on, but they can barely illuminate anything. And then the suspensions, all four corners were gone. The arms, the bump stops, everything is gone. The engine mounts and all that. And the wheels are of the wrong size. As in, I don't mean they're smaller or what. The rear wheels were sitting on 2-inch of spacers. I mean, this is a C4S with a wide body, and the rear by right should have a wider wheel, but it is sitting on standard Carrera wheels with a 2-inch spacer at the back. The roof doesn't work. The roof mechanism weren't all present. Let's say that's the best word I can put it. When Bob Auto Roof open up the rear, they're like, hey, it's missing this, it's missing that. Some stuff's broken. It's just in a bad situation, considering the fact that the odometer is reading 75,000 km, I would say this car has lived 75,000 km of car years in an abusive relationship with the previous owner, right? It's just neglected. Just think about this. 20 years ago, this car might have rolled off the production line together with some other 911s, and some of them would end up in the hands of, you know, an owner that takes good care of it over the years. And this one just didn't have such luck, I would say, until it met me. So, I am super duper grateful to the people that has put in all the works. First of all, it's Prestige Car Care. They really put in the works, the time and the effort for me on this car. And then CSB Pro on the headlights, Bob Auto Roof on the roof, DRC Performance Wheels on the beautiful, beautiful golden wheels, which initially I thought it was a bit over the top, but I listened to experts' suggestions, and Denzel, who runs DRC, he was like, no, trust me, it will look good on your car. So I trusted him, and lo and behold, after a while, it's certainly, I certainly warm up to it. You know, it's a good looking combination for a black color car with golden wheels. It sort of transformed the car. Yep. Yeah, if it had those standard wheels, like a Porsche wheel, a turbo twist or whatnot, it would just be yet another old 911 in a way. But now that it looks the way it looks like some guy with unique taste. A few more stickers, and I'm not too far off from Magnus Walker. No, no, that guy's a big collector. So this is my first dabble into Porsches, and so far the journey has been rather interesting, to say the least. It's like everybody is like, Bobby, trust me, Porsches are reliable. Yeah. I just wish I can make it to Luftwasser safely. I am 17 km away, 20 minutes away, as mentioned by Google Maps. So today is the event Luftwasser, and which is a gathering of Porsche sports cars at a go-kart track where they plan certain sections of the track to have the classics, the air-cooled, and then there was a curated section. Curated section, I believe it could be the likes of I don't know, speedsters or Singer 911s and RWBs probably, and then you have the air-cooled section, and then you have the 996 section, which this car belongs to, and then there is a 997, and then there is the 991, 992. Alright, and then of course there's one for the GT cars, you know. GT cars, you guys are special. Well, yeah, people who sacrifice a decent amount of money deserves people who sacrifice a decent amounts of money to reward us when we see one or hear one. You know, I mean, we get to enjoy the sound and the sights of seeing them, and those buggers are the ones paying for it, right? So they deserve some special care. All right. So yeah, so far I'm just happy that, you know, the air conditioning's cold. Touch wood. Oh, no wood in here. No fiber. Nothing. And everything works here. Everything seems to read all right, except the oil pressure. At times it's at 4, at times it's at 3, at times it's at 1. a bit scary. Okay, so far I don't see any white smoke coming up from the rear. This car, previously 2 rounds, I've had first round I was revving it up till about 4,000 RPM and poof, a huge billow of white smoke came out. That was once. The second time was when the car was sent in to do like a proper engine service with IMS bearing, everything done, and then came back out. I took it for a drive, and that drive I actually pushed it a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, until I'm confident enough to rev it all the way to 7,000 RPM, and there it go. Poof. Yeah, white smoke. So
in 200 meters,
probably
turn right onto the slip road.
Probably this car has suffered and the engine bore score or something. All right, probably. I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Turn right onto the slip road.
Now I have less than 30 days to bring the car to decent health. Okay, not just decent, it needs to be in good health to be able to do Evo Enduro. 6,000 km of punishing drives. I mean, events like these are not too harsh on cars like these, you know. You roll them on the roads, drive smoothly, make sure they run, the exterior is nice, then you park your car there, and that's it, right? That's the job it needs to do. But an event like Evo Enduro, where it involves driving from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, all the way to Chiang Rai, the border, the northernmost border of Thailand, you know, where you're already getting very near to China, to Laos, Myanmar. That would be punishing, and I need to bring the car back. So seeing this barely 20-year-old Porsche with 75,000 km in this kind of state gives me immense respect to my first drive in Mae Hong Son. For those who have never heard of Mae Hong Son is a series of mountain roads on northern Thailand where when you complete the entire loop, you would have done 4,088 hairpin corners. Alright? Name me another road like that, okay? So it is a loop, 4,088 corners. So my first round when I went to Mae Hong Son, we did the section, the Mae Sariang to Mae Hong Son section, which involves 1,864 corners, and that I got a cert for it. And the Thai group, Ren Drive, shout out to Ren Drive. Ren Drive took out their classics, their F series, their G series, their 964s, air cooled, and did the drive with me. I was fortunate enough when I got there, Mercedes-Benz Thailand got me three Mercedes AMG cars for me and my team to drive around for the initial recce, and that was in 2019. And I mean, we're in modern Mercedes AMGs, right? But they're in air-cooled Porsches, and it gives me immense respect, you know. So, yeah, I can't imagine this car being able to complete the drive at this current state. So, I have sort of, my workshop has sort of helped me solve most of the problems. The last one would be whether to decide to actually go into the engine and perform an overhaul, which would cost a lot of money, you know, pistons, valves, probably camshafts, the engine linings. That I estimate would have easily cost 30,000. I hope not, but that seems to be the case. Anyway, I'm getting near. I shall continue the video when I got there, alright? Cheers. Oh, I forgot to thank another two parties. Bufori Motor Cars. So Bufori is a luxury coach builder of full carbon fiber cars in Malaysia. Alright, ever since 1980, 88 or 89. They've been in Malaysia ever since, building ultra luxury 1.5, 1.6 million ringgit
In 3 kilometers,
full carbon
take the exit on the
fiber
left.
luxury cars. Okay, but what they also do is restoration work for their clientele's classic cars, you know. So we had a problem earlier on whereby the rear quarter window on the driver's side just isn't following the up and down sequence of the roof, and the controls to the window, you can be pressing the same button, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. So there is a problem with the relay, and we couldn't source the parts for the relay, and they built me one. They built me a new relay for my quarter window at the back, and the other one will be Michelin Malaysia. Thank you so much, because this car, I have a larger size wheel. I upsized to 19s. However, it is not, even though it's upsized to 19, the dimensions and the offset of the wheel follows the original 18-inch wheel size. So it became an odd size whereby it's not easy to get the tires. So contacted Michelin Malaysia, and they're able to get me one, and it fits perfectly. It's a PS4S, and I have to say, man, these tires, they do not only perform really well, especially that run when I went up Genting mountain roads, trying to overtake as many cars as I can without using the brakes at the corners. Basically, I use my estimation and optimize my speed, and using the steering to slow down my car, and of course the grip of the tires, and they are damn great. Okay?
In 600 meters, take the exit on the left.
And on drives like these, they are comfortable. There's one thing about them, they have stronger sidewalls than the regular PS4s, but unlike some other ultra high performance tires, they don't feel like it is a hard tire that is rolling on top of the surface. They don't feel that way. How they feel like is as if this tire has a layer of adhesives that just roll and blend on top of the road comfortably. That is the feeling and sensation that I get when I drive the car with these tires. It's just
in 600 meters,
fantastic.
Keep right at the fork.
It is just fantastic. So, yeah, thank you. And I am getting near, 4 km away. Well, continue later. Look at that! A GT3 RS in front of me. Woohoo! That's a wonderful car.
Keep left at the fork. Then turn left.
Turn left. What do I do?
In 500 meters, your destination will
Oh,
be
there's
on
a
the
bunch
left.
behind me. Oh, I'm arriving together with with a bunch of superheroes. There's a 993 behind me. Wow. Wow. Superb. And there's another 997. Wait, I'm together with the GT cars. I'm escorted with the GT cars. Woohoo! A 993 together with me. I don't feel so lonely now. And there's another 997 GT 3RS at the back there. Alright, this has become a huge event, I would say. Huge, huge, huge. Look at that. Wow. Oops, sorry. Yay, yay.
Your destination is on the left.
Yay, thank you. I'm allowed entry because I'm a Porsche. Woohoo. This is mega. I hope I get to leave later. Oh my god, look at that. Speedster is there. Whoa, this is big. This is big. Wow. Oh. There are so many people here. I kid you not. Alright, look at that. Huge. Amazing, amazing. Luftwasser. I hope I get to go in and I get to go out later. I hope I get to. And look at that. That's a 993 behind me. Alright, let's let them come out first. I'm glad I made it. I made it. Alright, I made it. Hello, hello. Alright. Thank you. Yay! Carlos nudged me. I'm here. Luftwasser. Oh, where do I go? What do I do? What do I do? I get to drive in a go-kart track? That is superb. Wow, you guys did well. This feels great. Yay, don't break down, don't break down, don't break down. Yay. Wow. Hello, hello. Is that Kalis? Oh, yes! Bro! Wow, I'm so glad I'm allowed entry. I see 996 there, I park there lah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
Wow, look at all these. Whoa! Super! Oh yes! Oh yes! Yeah, look at that. Beautiful! Absolutely beautiful. Yo! Oh, that's an F-Series. Lovely. Hey, I should park. Oh. Hello! Oh, I should park here, right? Yay! Aku park sini ya?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, look at that. Oh, fantastic. Yes. Woohoo! Oh, lovely. I shall drop the window down a little bit. Alright. The heat will melt some of the plastics in the car, I believe. Alright. Oh. Yes, there we go. Hello. Oh,
Bobby.
hello.
My son.
Hello.
Bobby.
Nice meeting you.
You're gonna watch all his videos to know which car to buy next. I'll see you, buddy.
Alright.
Hi, Bobby.
Hello.
Since I was 7.
Wow, really?
Nice to meet you.
Since you're 7? How old are you now?
17.
Wow. Hello.
Bobby, can I take a big video?
Sure. Oh, here. Okay.
Nice car, man.
Thank you.
Love your Rapid too.
Oh, he's a big fan of you.
Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
Alright, you too. Alright. Wow. That's okay, I'm glad I'm here. Let's go. Oh!
dedicated.
Oh. Yo! Hey.
Nice, eh?
Thank you. Hey, hey, hello! Yep, those are all the 992s, and then over here the 991s, and then 997s. 997 shed load of them. Oh, there's a 991 hiding amongst the 997s, and then this corner would be the 996s. Alright. Yep, that's my car. There's a black one hiding here. Yep, amongst the 996s. Alright, and then these are the 996s. Alright, and over there would be the 993s and the 964s and the F series, G series are all together. Yep. Lovely. Yep, this is like the biggest Porsche gathering. Should be. The 911s are still pouring in, man. GT3s, GT3 RS, GTS, you name it, they're still pouring in. Crazy. Look at the number of 911s. Look at that. Look at that. My God. Alright. Yeah. And there's another corner over there. Those are the curated ones, which I don't feel like walking there now. It's so hot. But I want to show you guys these classics. Hello, Aswan. Yeah. Look at that. Even the classics. Ooh, the Targas. And then the 993s, the 964s, the 930s. They're all here. Lovely. Whoa. Yeah, you can see the evolution. So from this to this, then to the 996s. Nice. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's my neighbor's car. Oh, these two have the best parking. Yeah. At least I have the loudest wheels. Yep. Oh, it's really hot. And the GT3 and the GT3 RS over there. Yeah. Look at that. And our colleague TJ, yes, represented. Yay! Oh, that one is super. From Kuzik, the Kuzik gang. Lovely, man. Yep. RWBs. Look at that. Like, what do you mean? Replica or what? Replica. Oh, wow. There. Okay lah. Close enough. Close enough. Oh, the speedster.
No, I like the one beside it. The singer.
Who doesn't like a singer, right?
Bro, you go up close, you see the romanship.
Yeah, man. Crazy. So we have a singer here. Oh, sorry. Speedster, and that's the singer. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Damn cool, eh?
Damn. Oh, sorry for my shadow. Lovely. 911R. All right. Yep. Look at that. Wonderful, wonderful setup. Amazing. Singaporeans.
One looking at your card is now? That's 10.
Oh, go on. Go
Who is that?
Damn famous way.
Who is that?
That one's from Thailand.
Oh.
He's got
Oh.
his car's inside the house one.
Oh.
He's on the strapping and all that.
What's with the bumper? Oh. I'll keep quiet.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Scary, the number of GD3, GD3RS.
Too many already.
Yeah.
So, they make the C2S, C4S all rare. No?
Wow. Where are we going?
See Darren's car lah, the white color one.
Okay, come.
Play hilang again.
Where did he go? Oh, he's there. He's stuck there. 992. Come on, go. Shortcut. Ooh, super nice way.
Social model.
Oh. That section is for what?
Huh?
That section is for what?
Commercial.
Oh. Long queue, Ain't no queue.
Oreo Swiss chocolate shake. You?
I know, I want beer.
Ew.
Why? Wow.
Yes.
Wow, panas ah! I go hide at the container there first.
Okay.
Massive event. Yeah. So this must be the curated section. Let's have a look. Oh no, I should wait for my friend. Extremely hot day today. Ooh. But the sheer number of cars that turn out is crazy. It's mad, and the sun is crazy. Panas eh! Wow! So how it works is the 993, 964, 996, 997, 997, there's a lot of 997s, then 991, but it's all full Cayman boxes over there. Yeah. Hey, this. Alright. I'm so happy for Darren, auto detailer. He finally bought a GD3. 991.2 GD3. Congratulations, Darren. Lovely. You deserve it. After working for so many years, contributing to the car industry, enthusiast industry. Wow, lovely. .2. Oh, it's a manual. Fuck. Oh, that's lovely. Wow, this headlamp damn cool eh. Yeah. From Bespoke. Yep. Oh, nice, huh? This one looks the same as the exclusive, right? Yeah. That one is yellow, that one is gold color. Yeah. Just now when I came, right, I thought I was alone, right? Suddenly, these few cars in between me. Who are your escort?
There we say, oi, 23, hey, Bobby.
Sorry. Hello. Whoa. Ooh.
This one is a proper beater.
Yeah. Oh, Wheeler's Gate. Yeah. Yes, Mr. There. 911R. Oh, yes.
Beautiful, you see inside.
Oh, yes. This one must cordon off.
You're not gonna touch.
Bro, is that a 959?
Fake one.
Oh, fake one. Oh, what? Okay.
Bro, it's
Wow. Wow, TJ get to park here, sweet.
I love this one.
Huh?
I love this one.
Yeah.
Car.
Look at that. And our colleague TJ, yes, represented. Yay! Oh, that one is super. From Kuzik, the Kuzik gang. Lovely, man. Yep. RWBs. Look at that. Like, what do you mean? Replica or what?
Replica.
Oh, wow. There. Okay lah. Close enough. Close enough. Oh, the speedster.
No, I like the one beside it. The singer.
Who doesn't like a singer, right?
Bro, you go upwards, you see the gold mansion.
Yeah, man. Crazy. So we have a singer here. Oh, sorry. Speedster, and that's the singer. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Damn cool, way.
Damn. Oh, sorry for my shadow. Lovely. 911R. All right. Yep. Look at that. Wonderful setup. Amazing. You guys are here!
How was that?
I thought you want to cheer me.
Hey, I get you beer.
How to get? Where?
I get you beer.
These are all free flow. Tiger, operative is there.
Yeah.
Carlsberg is here.
Okay.
So if your Carlsberg is here, operative there.
Oh, Carlsberg is here.
Tiger is there, right?
Tiger plus aperitif, whatever is there.
Wow.
I have enough already.
Everybody here, huh? Oh, you are here! Monaco. Alright, it's time for me to leave and show you guys the sights. Yeah, balik. Ya loh. Tak tahu boleh tutup ke tak? Bye DJ, bye bro. Thank you.
That's nice.
Bye, Grandpa. Bye. Bye, Jody. Bye. Bye. See you, bro. Oh, here. Bye, bro. See you. Sorry. Hey! Yo! Shit, how do I go out? Oh, here. All right. Bye, Malcolm. Hey, bye.
Nice car.
Bye-bye.
Head north. In 100 meters, continue straight. Continue straight. Your route may be affected by Western Peninsula Malaysia floods.
Thank you.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Yep, that was it. I'm sorry to a lot of friends that can recognize me, but I couldn't remember where we have met. I'm really sorry for that, but I genuinely cannot recall because I meet a lot of people day in and out, week in and week out. So sorry for that. Hello. So yeah, fantastic event. I need to shout out to the team behind Luftwasser, you know, the No Equal team, Craft Lab, all these people who are involved. Gary, you know, Rickman or Kalis, you guys did a fantastic event. And yeah, superb. So now it's time for me to go home. Hope my car is healthy enough to reach home. Yeah. Cheers. So, made it back. Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy. Drove it there and drove it back. Roof opens. Let's hope the roof closes. Just now when I opened the roof, there was a little bit of misalignment. I can see it. And then Darren gave me a hand, helping hand, and I'm so happy for my friend. Darren Chang of Auto Detailer. Wow, he bought an actual Porsche 991.2 GT3 manual transmission. Whoa, that is one keeper, man. I mean, a proper car guy like him. Fantastic. Fantastic. He really held on to it. He don't simply buy stuff because he dabbles with so many cars, right? His taste for cars is right up there, and it's just amazing to see his car. Yeah. So yeah, I am back. Now's the moment of truth. If the roof is still operational. Alright. Okay. Let's try and close the roof. Oh yes, it works! Beautiful! Done! Brilliant! And last thing, to switch off the lights. Oh, look at that! And switch off the car. Once again, thank you so much to the team behind Luftwasser. I think you guys did a fantastic job. Really awesome job there, and thanks for creating this wonderful Porsche community that a newbie like me can participate in, and I meet so many friends, man. Oh, the sheer number of it is crazy. So now I'm very much looking forward for Das Treffen in Thailand, but I heard some people say this round Luftwasser salute was a great event. Yep, cheers. And that's my baby. A lot of people gave me praises that it looks good. I'm very glad. I mean, I like how it looks. This is what I envisioned it to be. I never envisioned the wheels to be gold, but thank you so much to DRC for suggesting it to be in gold for me. And yep. And a lot of people praise the headlights as well. Such a looker. Alright, it catches people's attention. Yep. Cheers. And my buddy Thomas Yap couldn't be there. I really feel sorry for him. He caught COVID that day, and right after COVID he caught dengue, so I feel really sorry for him that he couldn't be there, but let's hope he get well soon. Yep. Alright, there it is.